Is that helpful to a lot of guys when we're talking about, instead of focusing on what doesn't it make sense that we should focus on what as it relates to your facts? And I believe that was a market like Marcus told us.
Hey, question, Greg.
Yes, sir.
And this is based off curiosity to Florida statutes, and then you went through.
Yes, sir.
In Florida, where the agency is supposed to notify the other party of the.
I don't know that for sure, but I do know that you could get a copy of the application because I've done that. So to answer your question, you're talking about the child support case. Like when I asked the attorney that Miss Smallwood filed that application in Florida, and she said, yeah, before I asked her. And what's one of the rules we have? Don't ever ask a question unless you what?
You don't want to answer.
So I don't know, but I have all the applications last, I want to say since, I can't remember. I have like 8 or 9 different applications for services. And so when I used to tell people I had an idea of, when you talk about what is it, failure to make a claim, state a claim for which relief can be granted. Well, the application just ascertains information, but the information has never been, most people don't cross-examine the information on the application because you don't see the application. The question may be, and I don't know what the rule would be because, you know, I'm so far removed from this stuff now, as to what on the application gave rise to the mother having a claim for anything. Nobody's arguing that parents shouldn't take care of their children. That's a different argument. But what in this specific application gave rise that she was entitled to anything? Is that clear?
Very clear. Crystal.
Okay, so there we go. So we're in Florida now. We'll save Florida last. About that. And by the way, I had to explain, you know, I've done this so much now. So, you know, you kind of learn how to, the more you do anything, like any muscle, you become better. So even when it comes to, and that's why see how that, you got 2 for you in Georgia, or whoever else is in Georgia. I think it's in Georgia. We had that when we just came through, right? And we got that right there. That may help you also.
Is that Bailey versus Bailey?
Yeah, but read what's there, because you'll see the sites in the yellow.
Our court have repeatedly held that this statute precludes a counterclaim. City, what is that? Kapoor versus Roach, Jones, 256 GA AT73, Kerry versus Garboli. I don't know how to say the name. As we noted, the statute is clear. Any complaint seeking to obtain change of custody of a child be brought as a separate action. Clear language of the statute, even when it appears to defy
what Marcus said, right?
Yeah, and that